It's Bonnie. Happy Sunday! I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys. I usually do like 3 and 4 videos on a Sunday, but I'm only doing 2 tonight because I got my Christmas tree up. I'm so excited. It looks so pretty. I'll have to do a reel and put it on Instagram and TikTok. But I don't know, I was excited to put my tree up this year. And I don't know, I just can't decide if I want that second tree. I don't know. I'll have to decide. I don't have a huge house, so like 2 trees, like one in the living room and one in the dining room. It's a lot, but I don't know. We'll have to see if I decide to do it. But right now, I did want to talk about the Northern Brights Eucalyptus Pine for the body care sale. So Bath and Body Works today, $3.95 on the lotion and $4.95 on the cream. It's a really good deal on the aromatherapy. So I don't know why Bath and Body Works does the $3.95 on these glass bottles, but I'll take it. It feels like these should be a lot more expensive than like the standard lotion bottle. But you know what? We're getting the deal on these. I feel like this is like the best deal on the site right now. These are normally $16.95 and they're on sale for $3.95 today. There's a lot of the lotions available. This one is called Northern Brights. It's brand new. I gotta say, I like the packaging. Remember Joyful from, I don't know, like 4 or 5 years ago? We had Joyful, we had Peaceful, which was tea tree and mint. I did not like that one. We had Thankful, which is frankincense and myrrh. That one was really good. They need to bring that back. I don't have Joyful anymore, so I can't do a comparison, but I feel like this is the closest we've gotten to Joyful in years. So when I first smelled this one, that's when Lenny was here. By the way, a lot of people were asking me about our new merch site, Bonleo. It's actually a combination of our names, Bonnie, and Lenny is actually Leonard. However, when he lived in California, everyone called him Leo instead of Leo, so that's why we did Bon Leo. So that's where the name comes from. So we're constantly like tweaking the site, adding new stuff. This is brand new, so it's a little bit of a slow start, but bookmark bonleo.com because we're gonna keep adding stuff and we're having so much fun. Everything is like original. Like we're really taking a lot of care and time in designing stuff. So check it out. So when Lenny was here, we had the Northern Brights Eucalyptus and Pine in the salt body scrub, and both of us smelled it. We're like, this isn't pine. By the way, this is a really nice formula. I gotta say, I love this. The salt scrubs are wonderful. Like, when you get that really dry winter skin on your feet, especially, this stuff works amazingly well. It is the vitamin E, aloe, and salt. I love the salt scrub. However, this does not smell like eucalyptus and, oops, I'm like dropping it. They're heavy. This does not smell like eucalyptus and pine to me. I don't know what the heck it smells like. I get more eucalyptus. I don't get any pine in here. So when I got the lotion, I was like, oh my goodness, now I smell the pine. So the lotion is actually, to me, a little bit thicker than the actual Bath and Body Works lotion. I like this formula a little bit better than the formula in these bottles. I feel like this is a lot thinner. I feel like they really did a good job on the aromatherapy lotion, and oh, that smells good. I love the pump because I put these on my sink, and then after I'm washing my hands or whatever, I use the lotion, and they work really, really well. So I do get eucalyptus, but I do get the pine, and I'm a huge fan of pine. I gotta say, pine to me is like, I'm in Ohio. We have a lot of pine trees. I like a good pine. I mean, I can tell the difference between like all the different like pine and spruce and everything. And this one is just a really nice pine tree scent. The cream is a lot thicker. A lot of people are asking me the difference. Look at how thick that cream is. By the way, you can polish your furniture with the cream. I do it all the time. I got to do a video. so your house can smell like Christmas. But this one is a lot thicker, and it's good for winter skin. This one is actually vitamin E, aloe, shea, and cocoa butter with hyaluronic acid. A couple of years ago, they did, was that a couple of years ago? I think it was. They added the hyaluronic acid for a little bit extra moisture. The lotion is vitamin E, aloe, and shea butter. So the difference is they put the cocoa butter in the cream, which makes it like a thicker formula. It's funny because I actually prefer the lotion bottles in the aromatherapy, but yet in the regular line, I definitely prefer the cream. So it's kind of a difference. Let me just show you in the strawberry snowflakes. You can kind of see the difference. See how like fast this comes out? This is a lot thinner than the lotion in the aromatherapy. And you can tell the difference. It feels thinner, which is kind of interesting. Let me do the pump again so you can kind of see. It's just, it's not a lot thicker, but there is a definite, I noticed it feels creamier too. Like, I don't know, or silkier, but I do prefer the aromatherapy lotion, and, it is very moisturizing. I gotta say, I like it. And if I had to make a judgment call here, this is hard. I'm going to say this one is 55% eucalyptus, 45% pine. It's a little heavier on the eucalyptus, but I normally don't love eucalyptus. Like, eucalyptus spearmint is not my favorite. My mom loves it, by the way. I'm kind of liking strawberry and pine. That's kind of, I got the strawberry snowflakes. I'm like, can I mix and match these? Strawberry pine cone. But she likes the eucalyptus spearmint, where I prefer like straight eucalyptus. So I think that's why I like this one a little bit better. So I don't know. I think it's a really nice combo to put the eucalyptus and pine together. I'm really liking this one. I gotta say, I wasn't sure when, like I said, when I first got the scrub, I'm like, I don't think I like this, but I like the packaging too. It's really pretty. So if you're looking for a gift for someone, I like to do gifting advice. Today is the day to do it. You can't really go into the store. I think all the stores are closed unless you're in California. But you get free shipping on 50 plus with the code SMOOTH. So if you were to get, I'm going to just round up, of course, $4, $5, $9. There you go. This is going to make a great Christmas gift for someone. You put it in a box with a little bit of tissue paper, and this is going to look like a $30, $40 gift. So it only cost you $9. So that's my trick for today. I do want to do some gift ideas this year. I love putting together gifts in little boxes and stuff. So one of these days I'm going to put everything together and show you that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I gotta go find my tree skirt. That's the one piece of my tree that's missing, is the tree skirt. So this week I got a lot to do. I'm gonna try and get to doing the candy cane philosophy. I also have the philosophy in the hot cocoa, and then I got a lot of stuff. Dr. Squatch, Harry. I'm knocking everything over. That was not too bad. I just knocked over one of my lotions. It's funny. I was in the store the other day and I dropped something and I'm like, I get how the associates, it's got to be like a domino effect, because on my desk, when one thing falls, like everything falls. And I don't think I've actually broken anything yet, thankfully. But I do have a lot. I've got the Ipsy Icon BoxyCharm and then regular bag. What else do I have? Oh, I have the Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty. I gotta get someone emailed me. Native has got an eggnog deodorant. I think they have the shower gel line. I don't know. I gotta check out Native too, because if they got eggnog, I gotta try that out. I got the Yankee eggnog candle, which I don't think smells exactly like eggnog. And then of course I have like every candle, Bath and Body Works, Homeworks, Kringle, Goose Creek, and now I have Tuscany. So I'm going to be busy. I got to get on this. I got a lot to review. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has an awesome night today. I'm going to go look for that tree skirt. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.